Welcome to my YouTube channel about Italian cuisine. Today we will make a delicious Italian appetizer with artichokes, zucchini flowers and a tomato bruschetta. With this recipe you can prepare a wonderful start to your dinner at home with your friends. So get ready for a unique culinary experience with Italian cuisine. Prepare step by step. But first of all, I remind you that it's very important that you subscribe to the channel, commenting with ideas, suggestions and opinions. If you like the video, also put a nice like. So let's start. All you need is ricotta cheese, zucchini flowers, sliced bread, tomatoes, artichokes, parmesan, breadcrumbs, oil, salt and pepper. Let's start by cleaning the artichokes in this way. Remove the petals and cut the extreme part of the artichoke. At the end, cut the artichoke in half and remove the artichoke earth to prevent the artichoke. In order to avoid that the artichoke become black, put it in water and lemon. Now let's move to the zucchini flowers. We have to remove these ends and the internal pieces. After completing the cleaning of the flowers, mix the ricotta cheese with Parmesan Reggiano, oil, salt and pepper. After that, fill the flowers with freshly stuffed ricotta. When you've finished, turn the stuffed zucchini flowers in the oil and then coat them with the breadcrumbs. Now let's continue by boiling the artichokes in a salted water for 20 minutes. You need the same time for cooking the artichokes in a static oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Once the artichokes have been drained, season them with oil, salt, Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. put in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the bread by seasoning it with oil and salt. We have to bake the bread at the same temperature, but removing them according to the preferred cooking. Season the bread and serve with the courgette flowers and artichokes au gratin. So you have completed this wonderful appetizer, ready for you and for your friends. Thank you, and don't forget to follow us.